So I've had this item in my shopping list for a while now, and I finally decided to say, F it. Upgrading my gaming setup, part 4.
Big as the Super Bowl, but the difference is it's just two guys playing shit that they did in the studio. Niggas usually send they verses back to me and they be terrible, just like a 2-year-old. Say it then, who the GOAT, who the GOAT, who the GOAT, who the GOAT?